come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with me.
Ah, ufitana ba.
Ele mankota.
Ah, pampa.
I'm sit down.
I'm hoping to see action. Some bam so move brepa
Charlie. Am I saying your master? Say boys need the table net on you.
Sure.
Bounce me media meet me as I stand.
By any day. Na mention mu hina modern.
Okuni pani abro.
Na no na bi action. Ana na de on question mai. Ba wo shiwi man ye fu. Me hu wi ni o shiwi man ye fetchen oda. Wo shiwi ba still we gentle, look gentle. Wo look nice.
Onim.
O ma wi share ye fe.
We no. So wo share also open hu aduane o. Omo ya no ma e basa no omo ni hu ska no omo ni hu aduane tina de bia o ma style bi.
Omo kwhye ba omo ni di. Na omo so te ya na ete. Ayi Mike we kura kai man. You can say ayi. Boy your friend say Aroma. Aroma enu echi o so da be menam ho sa frame ya ena ayi my judge ne ge na Seer na me no me kasa mano na ja Seer mu mano na Seer de odo no na hwan ana me hwere wo kire
Aroma ne be kasa some ni
kwasi asem bi pa ana my je na ne tika kraka no no na je me ge intimi me ke bi mano se fa tika kraka je ge ni ene sa dia
wona wudi matama na sa
ono na ka ana me hwe no my je ono yire ade ma ono ka se obeje ma easy ana me se me busa se wo nsusu se obeje ma man de a pa wo jejejej
neje mama na yo Opoku me lifestyle e bibi life fufuru
sede
me boy bi oka na e be kame a ahwa obusuafo nyina metimi de me ho agim ni sisters na metimi asaw bia like yo mimi ti bomo
oni ni nya asem a fra na busua
asem na wani menya no yo enya asem ketewa o etie ne sa akoka kire me sa adin kire ma sa akoka kire no ya ni de ni njemu
mimi nka se jemu mimi odi abetu manim se me no me kasa ma no se jemu ana mi bebusa se ubeje ma na
ana no so me ka kire so koka kire se mi njemu yo
mimi ya we se unyemu
na ma no ejon ana oni so ejon Aroma no ejon ma me kan kire o ejon bo won so asha Adidas brother Adidas ada o se na e for sign
ono ne mpabo obehye bia ni din
eni tinam cho boy no nya Ghana again so na ni hwa de o se trapper man me ni o ma bi o no ma me se o ati ase
ba o ye wikido wo ye wikid pa o my j opon se otisu nyina menim se bia o wa adwen papa kakra wo tin ba wo ye wikido my
enjimi
T43
enjimi
wani tua pa se boy yi ge nie wani tua se boy yi ge nie wetime hwimbo ni akroma de ko
onye hu hwe o ge bi odin bebe mehu so ne nnam bia maji ge bia mehu so Aroma ne nnam bia me maji
ende jimi ende
ejimi
o yes boy no wan hwe ya ontimi we school
me woni menya no for life o me woni menya no for life
the bad lasting
hey bro me fa on ba she me wodon she me dia masa me twa boy ge no so de da me life sisi o
ti woni na da na
komo be na ni media
woni na de da
ti me kwa me dia no majana mana da na sisi oh matinim Opoku matinim
o prun tedua mu okrom ha o
normal ja
woni ma de da o na da sembe to no ana da etebe kawo no ho be mo bose
ejiro obi afilu no John boy
the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with me.
The whole school is a chance. The whole school is in my ear. The whole school.
Yeah, now can't see depend on.
Oh, say na.
Yeah, now can't see depend on.
Say never.
You have a cast match or how come concern with this? Hey, and what's your seven now? The name okay, Cano.
What's your name?
Hey, from Fula. I give you warning. Now we are crossing you on. Says. We don't see one just have no says. I didn't some na okay Cano.
Me.
We are gossip papa from Fula. Me. We didn't know what I'm saying. Say, you this head in man, no koda na sepa. What is?
Say na gossip be na say na gossip.
Full of power. Oh, say me. Say am I your size?
No, I'm not. You're not my size. I'm not your size.
And I won't na okay catch school one for say. Me a man e come me ho na girls no. Me minti wo ko to pa me wa. Me. E da no ya lucky papa. Come babu. Can I see sawase dead?
Send the way to my stomach.
But see what you me ma bill me kun.
Say me cash you. Since why me na me go say na me me.
Say na una na okay catch up say na man e come me ho.
Say me why?
Why you destroying my name?
Say I'm me.
I'm me. Na come on them.
Say me kan wasem bia wo. Say I the be me scared mam. Exam no socket ma me first na.
One socket I want socket
I want class.
And you say I'm a socket wa anka wo extra missing.
Say dey.
Extra missing. Oh, how to say
me go say chance.
Oba na me am your teacher ni na am me no anko to zago. And I take advantage.
Say oh there.
And it's not the mad wanted no so na explore media.
Why them for them use.
Can't you say
Busi abonanti.
You can't you say.
Say who the busi abonanti.
I don't know we are like. Na boy ni jina ho.
Say
e tiri mi ja wo no.
Say in fact.
Say me see abu no.
Say in fact.
What do you mean?
Busi nti won bu most major busi I. Because me would see say what to me come asem bia na wo de betu ni bia ame. Say I wanna say
I'm talking then you talking. Why you destroying my name?
So I'm not destroying your name.
Why you destroy?
I destroy.
Stupid how you want nigger student. Can't you say can't you respect me?
Sir, I respect
you. You are zongo bokara me ko bi samase 45.
Now who care about the change was
me so much. Wo kwa do ye kokoko na me twe be bantem. Wo ye wakoye o skin akoye chocolate color akoye white boy no. Me see e be chin.
Me come tell. Say
you need. Oh, say. No who me now frame him a wo be hu. Now dey say be dey wo sumu a.
Say me
how you want student. Stupid how you want student. Can't you shame am slap one more. Stupid how you want student.
Say.
You see mommy dey. E mommy dey bien. Can't you shame you speaking my name? I told you don't ever speak in my name. Then you speaking my name.
I won't speak your name.
But you speaking.
So I'm sorry. I was speaking your name.
Now why you find the ban na me news ago? The assembly ho na wo ezime nam na exploit missing. How say exploit missing na? How you bella? Can't you shame?
Can't I shame?
Stupid how you are student.
Say I mean you go say 20 CDs ah.
For na ko pa na 90% what it? Banza. What Chilanka?
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months so meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah.
Precious, I've been searching for you everywhere on this compound. I can't find you.
I'm just in my personal space.
Why are they?
Why can't I be in my personal space?
Precious, concerning what we were talking about the other time, and you say, "Bia, me power and answer be bisa." You say school Mohammed one on. Me uncle, my wanted me bus school one FM. So what I say. So see ya bia na say open na say on say na lifestyle city.
No, wait. You knew this, right? And the last time that Abigail was advising me, you were against it. She was telling me that we should make this thing secretive, but you decided not to, and you gave me hope that you wanted the whole school to know about it. And now I've thought about it and I'm saying that people can know about it and listen to what you are saying.
Precious, it was from that moment that I went to think about it. Like my dream, I wasn't okay.
No,
because
I don't think it was just thinking. Like I feel like there's something else.
Precious, there's nothing. Be anyone. So be anyone. But sure, me uncle no, me who ye. Send any subanti no. Wait, me mama jai school.
Why do you care about your uncle?
Because he brought me to this school. The only sir, school.
But there are so many people dating in this school.
And are the uncles here?
No.
Then why?
But you can let him know that you love me and that
I should let my uncle know that I love him.
I know Sir MIA is not those kind of uncles. You let him know that I'm the one you like, and so you are going to still study. This is no big deal, is it?
Did you really know Sir MIA very well?
Yes.
Then why then do you want me to let him know what's going on?
You have to let him know so that it wouldn't be a big deal in this school.
Precious, you have to understand.
No,
listen. What is that I don't love you? Precious, this mimi pill.
Don't hold me, just talk.
I shouldn't hold you.
Talk.
Precious, you know I love you. Me we so na me mfan nya wadwen say e bia me mpewa na say bibi sir. You should just simply understand what I mean.
You don't love me enough. You can't love me enough and tell me that we shouldn't let people be aware that we are dating.
Inti just a man for one let's say.
Yes.
Why?
So we can freely do whatever we want to do. Right now when we are talking and somebody is coming, we have to you have to go and I'll go my way and all. I don't want that. I don't want that kind of stress.
Listen, Precious. I did a bit man secret. Now we loving each other than.
Nah. If you know you want a secret relationship, just find someone else who is also willing to have a secret. Yes.
So find someone else.
Yes.
Do you know what you are talking about?
Yes. Find someone else. There are many
because
people
I want
who
a secret relationship.
Yes.
Precious, you should just understand me.
How should I understand it?
Into right now, if we do this thing open, I said, me and Mami Kofi, then what next?
He wouldn't do that.
I know him. Like
he does so many things in the school. Why can't you do what you want to do? As long as you are studying, what's the big deal about this?
Because he's the one who's taking care of me, so I don't have any option.
Then let him know. Sit him down. Talk to him about it. Tell him that you are now in a relationship. Precious,
you are just trying to be difficult. Like, you just have to understand.
How am I trying to be difficult?
This is a very simple something. You are just trying to be difficult.
How is this simple?
Oh, I can say.
What if you are dating another girl and then you are trying to make it secretive so that the other girl too wouldn't know about us?
I know that's what exactly you would think.
Like, yes. So why are you acting this way if there is no other girl?
Precious, there is no other girl. I don't love any other girl apart from you.
Then why are you acting this way? I'm not sure it's just a MIA. He is not the only reason.
I wish you could understand me. It's saying my like, hey.
I don't know why you're lying. Just accept it that you are doing something bad. Let me go.
Precious, he has been threatening me secretly. You don't know.
Secretly.
Precious, just try to understand. If you love me, just try to understand.
What should I understand?
It's either we do this thing open for me to lose this school, or I'm even confused.
But if you are doing academically well, who will let you leave the school?
My uncle, of course. If he's not paying my fees and if he tells the administration.
I can tell you are not willing to understand what I'm saying.
Precious.
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 Don't touch me.
Precious.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Hey, young man.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay. Where are you going?
Yes, I'm going to get something at the canteen.
You're going to get something?
Yes, sir.
What?
Food.
Come out clear. Oh, I'm going to the canteen to buy food. And I understand you, but should you tell me I'm going to get something? Something sir. Means nothing.
Yes, sir. I guess you.
Okay. Yeah. And your name once again?
Intim Berry.
Oh, yes. You are Intim.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because the other time I was going through your reports and I noticed when you came to school, you were very good. You were doing well academically.
Of course.
But unfortunately, you have dropped suddenly. Why?
So it's from the house. Mommy had a little passion.
Nah, it's not from the house. I checked. And the last time I checked, I learned you are womanizing on campus.
Sir, me?
Oh, yes.
No, sir. Me, I don't do
that. It's the reason for me asking for your name once again in order to be sure of what I'm going to tell you.
Sir, me womanizing.
Let me tell you something. You are a young man.
Yes,
you are beginning life.
Yeah.
Life begins from this place.
Sure.
If you're not careful, you mess up your life.
Okay, sir.
It's about time you focus your life on your future.
Okay, sir.
Stop humanizing. It wouldn't take you anywhere.
Sir, I don't do that. I don't know where you are getting this information from.
You wouldn't know.
simply because you wouldn't want anyone to know. But I have my information from a reliable source. Tim,
sir,
you are a nice young man.
thank you,
Why
sir.
do you want to mess up your life?
Sir, I don't want to mess up my life.
Then why are you chasing women?
Sir, I'm not too. Sir, I'm not.
Tim, don't do that.
Okay, sir.
It's not right.
Sure, sir.
Huh? It's not right. It's about time you focus on your education, work well, work harder, and then come out with flying colors.
Sure, sir. Thank you very much.
There's more sleep after death. Right from
That's
school, you can decide to chase, the classic of. How should I put it? I even don't know the adjective I should use to qualify
The luxury of life?
You see, name it.
Yes, sir.
So, Tim.
Yes, sir.
It's about time you desist from that.
Sure, sir.
Lifestyle. It's not right.
I'll take it, sir.
Help you.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for the advice.
But anyway, this ring, what is it there for?
Sir,
You
this
don't
one.
need all these things. Come on, let me look at this.
Sir, there's nothing here. Sir, this one is just for life. Oh. Nothing is inside. It's fashion. Just fashion, sir.
You don't need this for anything. Go.
Sir, can I get it?
What for?
Oh, for fashion.
Come on, go. We'll leave
Okay,
this
sir.
place.
Thank you, sir.
Putting on all these as a student. Come on. Stupid boy. I'll work on you.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me pesa me come any months with me ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah.
You call him out, bro. Oh, Ade, what's up? What's up? Say what?
Charlie, just say what you need, bro. Me know be doing come on say any my Jane kasa what's up?
Am I doing come on?
Yeah.
Say, na me mabo amane.
Yeah, bro.
Eh, me say mabo amane da do. Eh, my J dear. Kela, abedin. My J dear. Because say me see here planning come on me ni my J dear bla. My J ni pe bi ahun. So yira die ma. Oyira die ma senye enye ono a na beka so je ma adi se bia wo de bia towing car bia na bia caterpillar bi na be why ne nsan free ho.
Bro, akwesi sen. O se dan.
My J say ono no nya na nto be ja again mu. Da, unu go to jam mi buye. Ma paniga ya chew. Ma dedda ne form nyina bra. Gata bi da ho me jam ho atum boys da. Ore me kata say sika be no hia de just mention the amount. Ni nya onya again my. Makata say de sika be no hia just mention the amount. My J sit da. Eni sika na bit ma hwe no. Just onya again. Hey, maka bia ka bia.
Na dey other girls in nam school and ohu omo ana.
La. Na won so other girls na nam school ohu omo ana.
Bro, what's up? Na wo ko kasa asemu ida. Say me ni sia na ekola.
Enkro do so ayen tena fa ko nya nim gwase o. Ah, so oba se won pewa. Jare na kofa foforo. Yo ba bi o kro no o crash o. O crash o. School mu anka oba bi a woni oba bi adwuma anase hu ensem egu oba bi atini manka woni me ma pew. Aroma, woni me ma e pew. Oba bi kra pese o kasa no keke wo school mu a ba wonya. Na o disi ya we achi. Oh my Jano man nko. Ah, Jano.
Oh, my G.
You baby anu akọ baby. Oh.
Charlie, my J minim say me ye me who hard guys them like open so prove your boys say yeah also wo. But Charlie nothing. No kwan we so bro.
Boy no dey wabo abre soon. Boy ngasa dey wa chinchin hun sarge.
Like what they hear me wiki do. Like you see say me da form team bro.
Ah, utimi fo timi wa o rock a for asum nyina.
You say me na ma you are home console na.
Man. Amoyede.
But mo tami.
Amo cheche
Me.
Are.
I na me say me hard as guy me hard then my G me girl bro.
Una oje hu too much. Ah, oje hu obeye aunties
Ah, ya ba form 1 na timi bu azure ni ntina nim se wa na oga. My J ono ni ti bom no nam school mo. Ni ti bom no ko sheba. Owo obi afa ntate awo. Hwe. La, waje. Boy no de waje ge no. Waje na fu. Na wo so say.
You say me menye dem bro, menye dem.
Pe oba foforo. Ah, ono kwa na oba owi ase na. Pe oba foforo bro, me nje oba foforo bia ho bro. Me ni atenka bia ma oba foforo bia o. That say me makoka bia amfa. You say me nya den. What may I do?
Yento kushi mane.
Oui.
Oh.
No so waka se mo so ma moso se wi ya.
So Opoku so you ti meje ayi ba ko a.
Bra, me ka se ombo sika kura opekura wa anye na kushi. Bra, pe bibi yusu kupe no dupe. E ma ne dos no school ma yusu. Ma ne nya adwuma kupe no dupe. Ma ne nya adwuma. Why? Nti me dem me ko ayiwa ba. Science lab waba. Why? Yeah, busy me share on nti me ko waba se a. Why? Aja de na nam school ma. A pre school ma man na me nya ba kumpo. Na wo de wonya bia na di agoro. Ei, we fanboy enti. Unya mana na de omu di agoro.
Boy.
Mimi nya ba ko kra se ya me nya oba ba ko pese. Me pe oba ba ko pese ma no pin school ma on.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me.
Scanty. They can't so much no ye pa. They can't so much why one side is the game. American the game. Na just say the open and na open sa wo ye. Hwe fu amastu mu asabra na be din kwase asem o. Hwe Scanty. Me do ban school mu ha say bra na be sua de o. All because of your education. That's what I'm blowing you see years ago. But some kwase asem na wo di na wo de ye makra. So person want me in school na na school fees amami o. Me pese that chimbi wo be china baby akasa me wo fa amoa me. All because of education. Wa di a wo ye ntie ye. From say wo na ye me na me ye wo ana ade ma ba school. Ana me din kwase asem say che wan tin kaka to shame. Can't you shame? Shut the f*** up here. Can't you shame? Huh? School na who did diagro education. Education. And who did diagro on. Na bekwai. And I was sad senkra. Na tram wa on. Who did they go school man? Who did? Yeah, no so go school no. Why? You chew free masemo. Ana be boy diodo. Who did you keep a root asem? Boy, Diodo, what it? Somebody should get out of here. Get out from my face. Get out. Oh, school now, brother, who did? Just the other one, Adams, Scanty. How have you been out trapped just like that? Scanty. You know.
What for see the amount of school ma pa o. Asema wo kan titi o nje nam na so achi. En nam na so achi. Okwa titi a oba na okosha no. Could you believe say asemi could you believe say asemi
can't you share my student you speak English could you believe? Could you? What is could you? Is it mention Kudu's name or?
No, could you believe? Could you?
Can't you shame?
Me can say.
Couldn't believe.
Huh? Say, asemi buy me etimi ko Scanty enim ko ka che nse. Yinsin aba na wo fa na obi nyima. O ka che me say an. Me wo fa de no so oba ne ba bi bebo ne bra. E na me nso bebo me bra. Scanty mfa ho ba ko.
My own Scanty.
Your own Scanty. Your own uncle under. She
my Scanty mother.
Uncle under. She doesn't this on phone back say. On phone back. Na ka make asem ne ba me call ne che ka cha. Ankonya nyansasem ka che me pose e bia me wofa de ontimi nya sa na se me protect me wofa ana me defend me wofa. Scanty no no say una wo de baby o wanyini no baby o wanyina duru no. Enye obi na be decide amount. It is work for nyinsan ya. Wa fa.
Say wono na sports asem.
Wono na sports asem no. On the side
Scanty.
Are.
Scanty.
Are.
Scanty! You know how they call you? Huh? Every day you talk. Then you shifting your shoulder. Hey, I didn't say now no school more kekano.
Permanent same.
Hey, when I won nam ha, won kika then I won opoku mo ka sam cha ka tom sa won fa me ho. Na me no makofa me nyinsan ya. Hey, opoku, kache no, kache mani hu, kache no.
Certain me carry.
And you know about catch me says me for Scanty. And the mom school will send me.
I'm betting I'm a Scanty class. Me betting assignment I demand and me and say, oh, say you know 3 you know, the last week of the my
class.
Yes. Trim tray, you know. And then I mean Bisana or no so say me. Hey.
How could I be
Scanty na me mo ma ko jina be back and one.
And you know I want to see who catch him say me Scanty here now one yet. On the name school who I come and home some about pregnancy.
Me. Abi.
Opoku do better.
Now one am school I can't say one.
May that be that.
Go.
Martin.
See what? One here. Me show us one out teaching na be here before.
The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with Maya. Me person me come any monster Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah.
Why are you saying hello to me?
What's wrong?
You are asking me what's wrong.
Yeah.
How did you tell Headmaster?
Eddie. Have you spoken with Eddie about anything?
You're speaking to him.
No.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm very sure.
I said you are the one.
I'm not the one.
You are not the one.
Yes.
So who went and told the Headmaster?
I don't know. But for me, I have not met him to even talk to him about anything.
You are a liar.
I will be able to say some about Bobia.
What about Mimi Gia? You want to curse me?
I would them free.
Upon all the good things I've been doing.
Yes, so why do you think I would go and tell him about it?
Well, it doesn't matter.
The money you have given me, food, like what else? I want you on the last thing come with your money, bro. I'm a secret credit one. Yes, why would I go and tell him?
I said you are the one.
I'm not the one. Look, you have to calm down and assess the situation. There may be someone else who wants your downfall in this school.
It's not true. So in this school, aside you, who is a gossiper?
Oh.
Who is a gossiper aside you?
Don't you know Opoku?
I don't know Opoku. Opoku is not a gossiper.
Opoku is a very, very big. There are so many people. I can name so many. And it's not only the guys.
Then since you know them, you are also part of them.
Please, no, I'm not part. I have not gone to speak to the headmaster about anything. I would not like for you to go and spread rumors about this. Be very careful. Watch your words.
Be very careful too. Next time I heard you saying something about
I will make come baby. I'm saying oh me shaman me be 1 2 bia. Eshema blah dey resham.
You are the one who did that.
I'm not the one. Dennis, calm down. And then let's assess the situation.
I'm not assessing anything. I know you are the one. This is the one I'm giving you. Don't ever or don't even try talking to the headmaster about me again. That's fine.
I then Frank Kraman sister why they were hard in pound. Anyway, you only pan I was say a pros about the region of one area if you know the best there I'm in my I will say how the head of it be how did you know who's can how the man in the case now the journal shaking Buntu. As I am there. Oh baby.
The party they come my way.
I said me am for now. Yeah, me for the vegetable here. Yeah, fine. Ebi so watch ya but I say unni e bi ni suban bi a wo so wo da na dia so I say unni ho so bi
oh me okay
Scanty minim wo wo ye okay a me unni okay so a me hu bibi ho no ma bi e bo me oh I say brother afutu obi ho no ma me fa ma ana se bi a me asem asikura na bi a metimi abeka bi a me nka bi ebi aso ton yare a na anya anu aduro if you sell your sickness you get the medicine
say bo ameka to na say me hu na mfa me ase The one I remember, so I'm a
So who for one who said you won't for one cabo busan say yanko sick bay or cabo from me yanko sick bay. Oh for one me who and now did you see the how I mean who I'm not saying no I didn't say me down mo say one na you what in a bed this wa na me wie mani ba say one eye open no na me be mani say na me hwe di one na sa computer de chen
I don't know if one die.
send me make us one eye open oh
So me yare like make us in the team and I'm in that as a
na tiare na ama wuntimi na tiare timi ma nipa tena mpaso sa adwenbene Scanty me for wasem se nua ena wiase no yese onua ho kire na no aboa no me wo ho ma empo se precious ena empo se woni na nya asem a ma me nsiesie ka kire me na me nsiesie precious yes wo no okura me se kusuya okura me se de make me say no di so oh ti se bibi ni a bi ebo me na me nko se ho ma what
wait me say me precious but be mini problem.
oh sure
Mini problem there.
Scanty eh kika ho bema de aga wo tebo ase ye kasa na se wujeja ho bema ase bema de you have to you know say your bema
say na me tie nti say ma esula so hu se me
wan kasa na ase ye tebo ankasa dodo omo be tete sa oba no me boa
oba na tete me ku ko ba nka makacho oba
na
precious
nti e wan
obi an tete me say me yare like no ho fa no say me oba bi ha me nka makacho right
ayo na me be se fe how dida me hu se wo ye na me ni se fe how e school mu amoyi me ba kwa ma me nti no
I want you back on.
School mu amoyi me ba kwa ma me
You back as bra and my boys now.
Nti se moyi me ba kwa ma me
anya me a obia person no benant.
Ayo okra no na nsen wo ye ho style bi
Oda Opoku me no dey.
na nsen wo ye ho style bi tim betena don kono so a metwia don ko fa de
no
bra no ma so da ko da ko
da boys na na e bo na china na e
see this time around na my sister me pese me jai makode nyina agu from say me pese me jai bibia bra ma blow konkonsa for your blow
we konkonse ni o
so
we konkonse
oh so monya the title na ma minti no
waje
oh so me jima mo so ba bibi how okay dia fa de
mama nkoto we nbra
abe fa
nkoto we na ba se me ka se me koka
pian ba kwa so
na me no na wan e pian
oh so me na mi pian no ba ba dia pian ba
o so koka o gan ti an ba no be pian
what do you mean na